Hello my lovelies, this is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying welcome back. Hope you guys have been doing well. I have another unboxing, this time from the house of Chanel. If you'd like to see what I pick up, please keep watching. So I know the last few set of videos I've done have all been unboxings, and it's one of those weird things where there's a lot of really good things happening right now and a lot of bad things happening right now. So when that kind of stuff tends to happen, I have a surefire way of dealing with things, which is retail therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naya and this is my channel here where I love to do unboxings, beauty videos, a little bit of everything, a little bit of luxury stuff, and I'm a handbag whore, self-proclaimed. So actually you'll definitely want to see the other recent unboxings I've posted. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you're new, well, hello there. Have a seat. This one actually won't be too long, but have a seat, take a chat, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have your own channel. I will definitely come back and check you out. And of course, please subscribe. So let's chit chat. Let's just get down to it because Chanel, and I actually don't have a lot of time because I'm waiting for a really painful appointment to happen. So let's cheer ourselves up first, right? So yeah, so my essay at Saks has this photo circle, and I basically just get myself into trouble with that. So I'm sure you guys could tell, since this is like a dinky little bag, that it's something small. And I'm like, hey, I'm not really buying handbags from Chanel right now, but send me all the jewelry, show me all the pictures. So I did recently get this. I'm not sure if this was like a birthday present for myself. I don't know, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it is amazing. Of course, comes in the box, a lovely box from Chanel, and ooh, a little wonky, but cute, huh? I'm wearing these today, which are my very first pair of Chanel earrings that I ever got. They've got some, and these have stayed decidedly intact for years. I've had these well over 10 years. Both of them have all their pearls on them, and they were sitting on my desk, so that's why I decided to wear them. But this is what I purchased, and I sure hope that's coming through clear. This is the back. It's gold tone with some crystals. I hope you can see the back, and I'll try to take pictures, closer pictures. You see here it has like this thing here that will help anchor the earring. So I'm going to put it on, and then we'll come up close so you guys can see how that looks. Yeah, you get to hook it on the back. That's pretty cool. Oh, wait. I hope that worked, since, you know. Goodness, I think after I leave here I need to go get a mani-pedi. Aren't those cute? Let me see. Oh no, that's Fendi. They are where's the little card thingy-majiggy? Here it is. Video to see where it timed out. But I did want to share this with you guys. I hope that's clear. So this is 22S, and the earrings are golden crystal, and the number is AB8071 B07810 NH432. So one last look. Aren't they amazing? I'm absolutely in love with them. So glad I picked them up. So, okay, that is today's unboxing. I've got a big one coming up. Actually, I might have already posted that video, so we'll see. If I've already posted it, it's Fendace. Yeah, I got it. I got some of it. That's been a crazy one. Guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, choose happiness. I know I started off the video a bit of a downer, and you know, it's not the best day, but I'm gonna do the best and choose happiness, and it's a choice that you can make every day for yourselves as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and yeah, keep taking care of yourselves.